Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you hair from a vendor that you guys can purchase from. Okay, so today I am just going to show you guys the vendor's hair pretty much of what I purchased, so then you guys can get a look at one vendor that you possibly can use for a raw Indian hair vendor.
We are back with another banger.
I got my package from DHL and I just wanted to show you guys. I haven't opened it at all. It's still sealed and everything, and I really want you guys to see it. I haven't even seen it. I've never ordered hair from this vendor before, so hopefully it may be able to help you. Hopefully it's able to help me in the future. We'll see. I have two vendors already that I use personally for my business that I've built a relationship with, so we will see together what this vendor is all about. Okay, you guys, so let me open it up. First things first, I think they ship via DHL or FedEx. I want to say they gave me the option, but I don't know, they just shipped it DHL, which is fine. I've had problems with DHL in the past, but this wasn't an order that I needed urgently, so I just kind of waited until it got here. Second thing, the way that they packaged this up, this white material, I've never had a white package. This white material right here is like a woven kind of material. I don't know what it is, but it's tied with string along the edges, and there's like hair intertwined in with it. So I don't know. I can feel the box on the inside of it, but I don't know what's going on with it. So let's crack it open. All right, got it open. Oh, this is strong. I'm not ripping this open. Hold on. Let me cut it right and stop trying to be Wonder Woman over here. All right, so they do have the stickers on the package. You guys know DHL will check your packages. They'll do security checks. If they have to open your package, if it's that deep, then they'll open it. But I've never had a DHL person open my package for any reason. Okay. Now there's like strings of hair all over it, so look, we know it's hair in here already. Oh, they got my name on it, QB Wig Collections. Y'all can see that, so they know it's mine. It took them, I'm trying to think, you guys, it took them approximately 3 to 4 days to ship it, and then the process to get it here took about 4 days or 5 days as well. Not counting the weekend, of course. All right, we open the box and there's a bag in here with the hair that I ordered. So I ordered a few different things just so you guys can get the feel of what they have, which is what you guys should be doing as well when ordering hair from a hair vendor. Order a closure, order a frontal, order curly, order a wavy or a straight, or whatever the case is. If you're thinking about selling blonde raw Indian hair, then order, one blonde bundle or whatever the case is. If it works out, then, keep purchasing and testing the hair. So here's the hair that I ordered. I am filthy. That box is so dirty. Like, I have all black on and my clothes are so up. All right, let's see, y'all. Looking through the plastic bags, it looks good so far. So let me kind of open up these packages so I can see what we got. I should have got the invoice so I can compare the two. I always check the hair as soon as it gets here so I can see what's going on. All right, so far, let's see. This is a 24-inch wavy. They have a sticker on it. Now, price-wise, I will let you guys know, price-wise, they are a little bit on the high side. If it's me, to be honest, it's a little bit on the high side, but it smells normal. Okay, if you've ordered raw hair before, then you know how it smells, but it's not like, it doesn't smell just, like nothing. It definitely smells like in the Indian country. You know what I mean, you guys? So just bear with me. Yeah, it definitely smells just like raw hair normally smells when I get it from India. All right, the hair feels good. Definitely raw hair. I can definitely tell. It's beautiful. This is 24-inch wavy, definitely long. And I am going to be wearing this hair myself and testing it out myself, adding color into it and things like that, and giving you guys a absolutely full review on this hair and this hair company. So in my next video, you'll see me do everything to the hair specifically, with the color, the install. I'll let you guys know, how it's been, wear and tear, washing the hair, showing you how I wash the hair when I get raw hair from companies and how I test it out. Okay, so this is 24-inch wavy. Let me move on because I know y'all trying to see everything. I don't even know what this one is. And this is how I receive the hair, you guys. I'm not affiliated with this company at all. Oh, this is another 24-inch wavy. Now this one is a lot softer, bouncier. I love the wave pattern of this hair. I am also going to be measuring and weighing the bundles as well, is what you want to do when you first order from a new company that you've never ordered from before. That way, if you sell bundle to bundle, you'll know what to let your clients know how much the hair weighs. An average of 3.4 ounces to 3.8 ounces is kind of the average because they go by grams, not ounces. So when you ask for 4-ounce bundles, they're not going to be 4 ounces. They're going to be a little bit less because 100 grams is a little less than 4 ounces. All right, so that was another 24-inch. Oh, here is an 18-inch curly out of the package. So I ordered 18-inch curly as well. And this is what it looks like straight out of the package. Very soft, very, very soft. I love it. You'll be able to really see the curl pattern once it's washed and dried. But this is exactly how raw hair normally comes when I receive it. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Look, I don't know which one it is because on this side it says 18-inch curly, and then on this side it says 20-inch curly on this side. So I guess I'll have to measure it, but I think I ordered 18-inch curly bundles. Maybe they're trying to tell me it's between 18 and 20. I don't know, but we'll find that out. So that's that. Oh, yeah. So I guess I'll be wearing the 24-inch hair since I ordered 3 bundles of their 24-inch. This one feels amazing as well. It actually this bundle looks really long. Possibly could be 26 inches. Not too sure. But as you guys order from your vendors, you'll start to notice how they send their hair. If they send it stretched all the way to the point where you have to measure from tip to tip 24 inches, or if you can kind of lay it down naturally and weigh it that way. So it just depends. All right, and this is an 18-inch curly bundle, another one. All right, and this is how it comes straight out the pack. This one looks like it's gonna be, caught a little tangle there, but that's fine. It's curly hair. This one looks like it's going to be a little bit more curlier than the last bundle, but I definitely have to wash it and test it with some color, see how high of a lift I can get with this hair, which normally raw Indian hair, you can get a normal high lift with this hair as well. So definitely run your fingers through it, color the hair, wear the hair, wet it, flat iron it, do things like that so you can see how good their Indian hair can hold up. This bundle is actually really nice of a raw Indian curly bundle. I can feel it's very thick from root to tip. That's what I love. Thickness from root to tip. Not every bundle is going to be that way, but the majority should probably be that way. You guys know that I do not order double drawn bundles. I only order single drawn bundles. If you guys know the difference between double and single drawn, I think I talk about it in one of my videos. I can't remember which one, but double drawn is literally thickness from root to tip with they probably will have blunt ends, which I don't like. I like my hair to come to a natural ended tip so then the hair can just fall naturally and everything blends in good. I just like a natural looking bundle. I don't really like super thick from root to end double drawn bundles. Nothing wrong with it, it's just my preference, so that's just what I sell. I should have ordered a curly closure. I don't know what I was thinking, but I only ordered a wavy frontal, very long actually. I need to look at the invoice, but this frontal is literally, it's probably about 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. The lace feels great. It's just transparent lace. It's not HD or anything like that. It's just transparent lace, which is fine. I sell transparent lace with all of my lace frontals and lace closures as well from India, so definitely okay. 13 by 4 inches. It's true to the 13 by 4 inches. The hairline on this is definitely, let me see if you guys can see. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to show y'all. Kind of, you know, natural, thicker in the rooted area and lighter towards the front hairline, which is perfect because I want to easily pluck this frontal. I don't need a super thick frontal from the hairline all the way to the back, okay? And the frontal is definitely natural density, I should say. Natural density, but way longer than I thought it was gonna be, which is fine because I am going to make this frontal and these 3 bundles into a wig, and I am going to color this hair. Haven't picked a color yet. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna lift it with bleach, and I might just wear it blonde, or I'll do highlights, or you know, I'll just do a certain style to it. I will also test its wear and tear, so of course I need to wear this hair overnight. Unfortunately, when I test hair, I don't want to take the wig off every day. If I wear it into a wig, I kind of want to wear it as if I had a weave in, because there's a lot of people who wear weaves that buy hair from me, so I definitely want to test it out properly. But this vendor, so far so good, you guys. I have no complaint about the hair. There's like a little bit, it has a deeper smell than my normal hair vendor that I normally get hair from, but I'm definitely assuming you can wash it out, but we'll see once we get to testing the hair out and everything like that. So that is everything, you guys. They're lace. Let me look inside actually, because you can tell on the edges the lace is single knotted, but the inside, if you guys have been working with lace a lot, you'll know inside here the knots are double knotted, which means the knots on the lace are a little bit thicker inside the frontal. So once I bleach the knots on this frontal, we will see how long it's going to take me to bleach the double knots compared to the single knots on the edges. And you have to think about all of that, you guys, because you do not want super thick knots on the inside of your lace to the point where it's impossible to bleach. So keep that in mind as well. If you guys have any questions, I will not be giving out the vendor name in this video. It'll be in my testing video that I'll give out the name of this vendor, so stay tuned, you guys. I will have everything, all the details, start to finish, how you guys should be testing out your vendors. And this is not the only vendor that I'm going to give you guys. I am going to be reviewing multiple raw hair vendors on my channel, so stay tuned. This is how I received mine. Don't think that your vendor will not mess up just because they send you these bundles now. This is not how the hair comes every single time. Sometimes I have vendors that I order for the first time, and they send me beautiful hair, and then all of a sudden the 3rd, 4th, and 5th time I order, the hair isn't as great. So you guys got to keep that in mind as well. I've built a relationship with my vendors that I have on my platform already for what the hair that I sell, so they know what I like, they know what I don't like, and they know what I will complain about if it's not right, because I have to send this stuff to you guys, and sometimes the things that they send me is just unacceptable. So keep that in mind when ordering hair from a hair vendor, okay? I am going to drop gems on this hair in my next video when I test it out, and I hope you guys are all there to watch and test it out with me. I will be wearing the hair. You guys will see me post it on my Instagram and things like that of me testing out, because this is the hair that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear the 24-inch wavy hair, and maybe I'll order a closure and one more bundle and make another wig out of this hair here. And I'll be testing this hair out too, so maybe I'll buy another closure and another bundle for the 18-inch curly, and get one of my sisters to wear the hair, or somebody else that I know, or I'll just wear it myself as usual. So we're gonna be messing with all this hair in the next video. I'm gonna put it to the side. I am going to make a wig out of it and everything with this hair. So far so good though. The wefts are beautiful, they are intact, and they are nice and neat, which is the way I like it. And I'll get into opening them up, dissecting them, and doing everything to them hopefully later this week. I really want to get this wig on when I take these braids out, so hopefully later this week we can get into this and we can see what this vendor is about. So then hopefully this could be your guys' vendor for who you guys use for your raw hair. So I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys are